I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Pencil in Ebony to work on my brows. Now, what I'm doing now is, what I first like to do is sort of trace the bottom of my brows, the line, and then I start on the top. I like to work on the back half of my brows first. That way I can get an idea of what the shape's going to be, if I want them to be more straight or curved looking. And then I like to make a line at the front, just Right now, right at the front of my brows, what I like to do is sort of make little fake hairs. So I kind of flick up and out to make those hairs, to make them look more, to make the very thin part of my brow look a little bit thicker. Alright, now you take that spoolie and comb the product into my brows, make it look a little bit more even. Then, if I see a few spots that need a little bit of work, I just go back over those spots with the pencil. Now I like to make the back of my brows look a little more dark, like I like them to look a little bit intense. So I take a black eyeshadow. I'm using the one out of the Tarte palette to I like to apply that black eyeshadow right at the back part of my brow. That makes them look a little more intense. Alright, and that is our finished brow. And to get them to look a little bit extra, I like to use the Eyebrow Pro Concealer. I'm using warm honey to shape my brows. Now you could use a brush to do this, but I'm gonna be ghetto and just use a little brush that comes on the concealer. So I like to make a line at the bottom of my brow first. Apply concealer under my brow. I'm gonna drag that concealer all the way down to my eyelid. That way there isn't like that darkness on my eyelid there. So that concealer acts as a concealer. It's going to cover up the hyperpigmentation on my eyes and shape and make my brows look a little bit more defined. And I'm going to do the same thing in the top. Just add that concealer right on top of my brow. Make them look really snatched, cute, whatever. All right, I'm going to take a brush. This is the Real Techniques brush. I don't know the name of this brush, but it's pretty dense and it does the job. I just blend out my concealer with this brush. That way it's all nice and even looking and it doesn't look all crazy like it did before. So I just blend until everything looks good. All right, and there she is. I like to take the spoolie, again, comb the product and then my brows one last time, make sure everything's nice and even. Alright, and there are both of my brows, kind of done. And that's all there is to it, people.